Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete your family account in the Cozi application. So let us dive into this. So in 2026, it works the following way. You will need to access the Cozi app, for example, in a web version or mobile version in the first step. Then log into your account and click into settings on the left-hand side. Inside your family member settings, scroll all the way down. And what you want to do next, guys, is click into delete family account. Now you can read through this through that disclaimer here. What will be necessary to do here, guys, is to enter your family account's email address, so the address you signed up on here on Cozi, and also to enter your password. So you will need to enter it here, and after that confirm by clicking into this button, or you may cancel that process. And that's it, guys. So this action can be undone, but only within a grace period of 14 days. So if you accidentally deleted the account, there will be also the opportunity to, for example, contact the Cozi support so that they may reinstate the family account, but only within those 14 days, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.